Hello and welcome to another episode of Planty Face. Today I am going to do a couple of unboxings. First one is, I don't know what this is. So this looks like a pounamu or a rock. So my good mate Paul from Touchstone Design, I will tag them as well, give you all the links. He is an expert in grinding pounamu, New Zealand greenstone. Now this is a fucking beast. I don't know what I'm going to do with this one, but hey, look. He said that it looks like a mountain red. I don't even know what this is actually. I don't know what this is. I think this is one of the, what he calls trash, because he can't carve it proper. So I have to smash this and reveal the inside. Look at that. It's actually really beautiful, isn't it? I have to reveal the inside. So look at that. So it's got fault lines. There you go. That's why. So a little bit of a hammering. This should split. And then the shards I will use to decorate pots. Okay. And then this one, I believe, is a pot. Okay. Let's have a look. Okay, there's a lot of different stones in here and lots of shock absorbents, and obviously this looks like it's going to be the pot. Let's have a look. Oh wow. Whoops. And then it looks like there's a high quality one that he mentioned. Take this out and I'll show you. And I'll just, but to use them, I have to smash them. To use them, I have to smash them. So let's see how we go. Let's first look at the pot. Hopefully it didn't break. Nice. Nice. Okay. Look at that. Nice. I will definitely use this at some point. Very shallow pot. I had to put it on a catch tray, but that's look at that. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Look at that. This is a handmade clay pot, very shallow. So I'm going to have to find a species that I think could suit the shallowness, because I have to put this on a tray as well. So this will make a good landscape type of cacti situation. But I have to find a plant that would suit it, which I'm sure I will. Beautiful. And then this one, it's another one. Oh, this looks deeper. This looks deeper. So this is a raw bisque. They said this is a raw bisque pot. Hasn't been glazed or anything. This looks like a Chinese clay pot, but it's not. But oh, that's cool, man. No, that is cool. Look at that. This is deeper, so this will be able to be used, more versatile usage in terms of what I can put in it. So I don't know what I'm going to put in it yet, but I think I might put a actually, I don't know. I have no friggin' clue what I'm going to put in this. Actually, I have no idea what I'm going to put in this. So let's figure that out later. But these are cool pots. I will definitely use them. Awesome. And then we have greenstone. We have greenstone slash New Zealand jade slash pounamu. So this is, I think, the fancy one that he said. Looks like a mountain range. That is pretty cool. That is pretty cool, burying that. And then there's these other ones. So I'm going to try and smash this and crack these to expose the fault line. Sorry, the inside, and see what they look like. But I'll do that in a bit. Not urgent. Not urgent.